Good day, Market Chameleons and everyone joining for the first time. Thanks for coming by and checking out the Market Chameleon webinar series. Before we get started, let's take a look at the shared disclaimer. Please be aware that neither Market Chameleon, Dimitri, or myself are registered investment advisors or a broker-dealer. If you're searching for investment advice, please reach out to a licensed professional. This show, as all our shows, is for informational purposes only concerning Market Chameleon tools and products. With that, one last look at the disclaimer. And let's welcome Dimitri Pargamonik to the stage, who's going to be talking about the pre-market SPX options trading. How you doing, D?
Good morning, Will. How are you?
Great. Let me bring your screen to the stage.
Good morning, everyone.
There we go.
Yep. And I think today we'll quickly go over how to look up SPX options trading activity before the market opens officially in the pre-market, because SPX is one of those. It's an index, S&P 500 index, and it's a security that actually allows for trading in the options outside of regular trading hours. So what we're going to do is take a look at how to look up those option trades to get some insights into that trading activity. To go to the SPX, we could type it into the search box up here. So type in SPX. This will take us to the main SPX page. And because SPX is an index, it's not a security that you're trading, like a ETF or a stock. It's a calculation. It's an index tracking the S&P 500 based on that formula. So there's no security SPX, but we do have options, and this defaults to the option chain. And as you can see, there are lots of options trading in pre-market hours. This is before the market opens, so you can see as of 8:45 a.m. There are options trading in all these different expirations and lots of different strikes. So the idea here is, since there's a lot of trading going on and we want to get a sense of where there's some concentration or what may be going on, we need some tools to help us analyze this without having to go one strike or one option at a time. We could get some tools to help us break down that option trading volume. So one of the tools here is the single leg dashboard. So if we click on this, this will give us a breakdown of the option trading based on single leg trades, buyer selling at call or put option. Because we could have option trades that are multi-leg trades, which are spreads, involving more than one leg to execute the trade. And here, we're just going to go over a few of these analytics. One of them is the top 5 most active options. So you can see here, these are all on those options that expired today, September 2nd. It's a mix of calls and puts, and strikes between 6,370, 6,485, which you could see is, if we look at the range of SPX, those strikes are within the trading range of that index. So these are the most active options, which are cumulative, most active single leg options, which are cumulative option volume. It accumulates throughout the day. As more and more trades come in, that volume increases. Down here, some of these other boxes show the most notable trades. So these are trades that came in and look like they're all part of one order. So we look at it for any large trading activity, a large transaction. So you could see here, these involve options in other expirations. October 17th, we got the 6,700 call that we detected traded 417 contracts for a VWAP price of $23.50. And our interpretation was that the incoming order was a buy order, or the initiating order was buy order. So here we have an October 17th, November 21st, a couple in September 2nd and September 3rd. And that, again, lets us to quickly just get a sense of where there's concentration of volume, some notable trades, the prices that it's been trading around. And if we want to go look deeper into it, then we could go to the options chain, open it up, and look at the trade details. So this is somewhere we could go and look at some of the breakdown and analytics on single leg trades. But that's not all the trading activity. We also have multi-leg trades. And to look at up the multi-leg trades, we could go to this multi-leg trades analyzer. So click on that. And this assembles those multi-leg trades and then creates a table for us of the trading activity and analyzes and interprets what the most likely spread or strategy was of the trade. So over here, this is sorted by largest option volume contracts. So between 3:26:49 a.m. to 8:42:17 a.m., we detected trading activity, six trades in a particular put spread, which was the September 2nd, 6,320, 6,350 put spread. Right, so this is two legs on September 2nd, two different strikes, and traded 6 different times for a total volume 1,526. And you could see that these are traded as early as 3:26 a.m. Very early in the morning, actually outside even the pre-market trading in the equities. This is at 3:26 a.m. If we slide over, we get some more details for the traded volume weighted traded price, bid and offer, and the reference price of the index. So now what this allows us to do is get a quick view or assessment of what's going on in the pre-market trading activity in the SPX. And of course, we could go here and keep going, tabbing through to see the rest of them. But by default, this is sorted by highest option volume in the spreads. And the single legs were showing us the top 5 option volume in single leg trades and most notable trades. So this is a way to really quickly get insights and a view of what's going on in these index options. Will, I'm gonna stop there and throw it back to you.
Hey, D, sorry about that. My cursor stuck. Great webinar, D. Thanks for bringing that to the Chameleon community. I know you and all the developers worked hard to bring that feature to the Chameleons, and it really is very useful. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, everyone, for joining. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe out there. Have a great trading day.
All right, D. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, my friend. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining. We will be having a webinar at 3 today. It won't be after hours. It'll be at 3 with Ryan Mastro, who will look at some different things he's seeing in the market. There will be a link available for that later in an email. And remember, if you're following us on any of the social platforms, make sure to like. If you're new to the show, remember to follow us and like. If you're on YouTube, extra thumbs up. Always appreciate it. Everyone have a safe, great trading day, and we will see you hopefully at 3, if not at 3 tomorrow. Bye, everyone.